Let me say something that might offend you. Trading is not hard. What's hard is you. Because if trading was truly impossible, nobody would make money consistently. But they do, quietly, calmly, while most people are stressed, emotional, and confused. So today, we're going to talk about why most people struggle with trading, and why a small group makes it look obvious. Most people come into trading thinking the market is the enemy. They blame the chart. They blame the strategy. They blame news, manipulation, algorithms, or bad luck. But the truth is uncomfortable. The market doesn't beat you. You beat yourself. Trading is not a knowledge problem. It's a behavior problem. And once you understand that, everything changes. Let's be honest. Most traders are trying to get rich fast. They want excitement. They want validation. They want to feel smart. So they overtrade. They oversize. They jump from strategy to strategy, and every loss feels personal. Here's the first mistake most people make. They expect certainty in a probabilistic game. The market does not care about your opinion. It does not reward effort, and it never promises certainty. But beginners want guarantees, and when they don't get them, they panic. Losing trades hurt, not because of money, but because of ego. A loss feels like, I was wrong. I'm not good at this. Maybe trading isn't for me. So people react emotionally. They revenge trade. They double their size. They abandon their rules. And now the problem isn't the trade. It's the spiral. Most traders don't fail because they lose money. They fail because they can't emotionally handle losing money. Another reason trading feels impossible? People think more complexity equals more success, more indicators, more time frames, more confirmations. But complexity creates confusion, and confusion creates hesitation. The traders who survive do the opposite. They simplify. They know when to trade, when not to trade, how much they're willing to lose before they enter. Simple rules, executed consistently. That's it. Now let's talk about the small group that makes trading look easy. They don't predict. They don't hope. They don't chase. They manage risk first and let profits be a side effect. They understand one powerful truth. One trade doesn't matter. 10 trades don't matter. Only the next 100 trades matter. They think in probabilities, not outcomes. A loss doesn't bother them. A win doesn't excite them. Why? Because they already accepted the result before entering the trade. Most people are emotionally attached to the money. Profitable traders are attached to the process. They don't trade to feel something. They trade because their system says so. They don't need action every day. They don't need to be right. They only need to be disciplined. And discipline looks boring. No screenshots. No flexing. No dopamine. Just consistency. Here's the brutal truth. Most people quit trading right before it clicks. Because progress in trading is invisible. You don't feel smarter. You feel calmer. You don't trade more. You trade less. You stop forcing trades. You stop chasing money. And that's when things finally start working. But most people can't sit in that discomfort. So they quit. The goal of trading is not to win every trade. The goal is to protect capital, to control emotions, to execute your plan without hesitation. Money is just the scoreboard. If you focus only on money, you'll always struggle. If you focus on execution, money follows. So ask yourself this. Are you trading to feel important? Or are you trading to build consistency? Are you chasing excitement? Or are you building skill? Because the market rewards patience, not ego. Trading becomes obvious when you stop fighting the market and start mastering yourself when you accept losses. When you respect risk, when you stop trying to prove something, that's when trading stops feeling impossible. And that's when you quietly move into the group that never complains because they finally understand the game. The market doesn't need you to be smart. It needs you to be disciplined.